BIM 360 docs combined with Revit and Advance Steel in the AEC collection can be helpful for coordination between design and detailing teams on a project. Once the steel structure containing steel framing and columns has been modeled in the Revit environment, the structural engineer can specify connection details by placing generic connections and supply information about the desired connection. Using BIM 360 docs, the structural engineer can upload the Revit model and create an issue that he assigns to the appropriate member of the structural steel team, along with a recommended due date. He can even attach a schematic drawing of the steel connection to provide more accurate information. The steel detailer gets the notification through an automatic email. By clicking on the View the Issue button, BIM 360 Docs gives direct access to the issue and shows where it is in the 3D model. The issue can be reviewed, and the Revit model can then be downloaded. Generic connections can now be replaced by parametric steel connections, where steel components such as clip angles and bolts are automatically inserted and configured, as defined by the structural engineer. Revit offers a comprehensive library of automatic parametric steel connections, enabling connections to be modeled with a higher level of detail. Schedules with accurate quantities and detailed engineering drawings, complete with dimensions and tags, where steel connections are represented in 3D and 2D views, are generated automatically out of the 3D model. The Revit model can be shared with the other project members by using BIM 360 docs. Sheets and views are automatically extracted for the project team to review. Now that steel connections have been added as requested, the issue can be answered. The structural engineer can review the final Revit model and close the issue. Now it's time to create an issue for the steel fabricator and give him access to this Revit model so that he can create deliverables to drive the structural steel fabrication. By simply exporting and importing the model, the steel fabricator can have access to the 3D model in the Advanced Steel environment. By leveraging one of the ready-to-use drawing styles, shop drawings are generated with attached parts dimensioned and labeled automatically. NC files are generated to drive CNC machines at workshop. These deliverables can be shared as DWG or PDF files on BIM 360 docs. Satisfied with the outputs, the steel detailer closes the issue in BIM 360 docs, and the structural steel fabrication can now start.